Right. Hi friends. In this video, I'll show you how to install Windows Server 2016 Data Center Evolution Edition, Windows Server 2016 Data Center Evolution Edition in the Oracle VirtualBox VM. Okay. So I have already created the Oracle VirtualBox VM. So if you want to see how I have created this Oracle VirtualBox VM, you can go for my old videos. There you can see. Okay. So once I created the Oracle VirtualBox VM, once I created this virtual machine, then I have to install an operating system in this machine. So I am going to install Windows Server 2016. Okay, so how to install that one? Right click on this machine. This is my machine. I want to install operating system in this machine. Right click on this machine, go to the settings of this machine and go to storage. Click on this empty CD. Attach Windows Server 2016 here. Okay, attach your Windows Server 2016 here. Choose virtual optical disk file, and if you have the software you can attach it. Okay, if you don't have the software you can download it from the Google. So I have already downloaded the software from the Google. So what I can do is, okay, so let me select the software, Windows servers, and this is my software, Windows Server 2016, and click OK. Once you just click on OK, then you can see, okay, software is attached. Now you can, to start the machine, what you can do is double click on this machine, or you can also go for click on the start button. Okay, so just double click on the machine to start the machine, then it will start detecting the operating system, and you can proceed for the on-screen instructions to install the Windows operating system. You can close these message boxes, so you can get the screen like this, Windows Server 2016. Okay, so this is your Windows 2016 installation beginning screen. Go to next and click on the install now button. Very easy to install. Okay. Okay, so you can choose uh, either second option or fourth option. Okay, this is the GUI. Okay, go for either second or fourth. You can see right, desktop experience, experience. Okay, this is standard evaluation edition. This is data center evaluation edition. You can go for any operating system, but go for second or fourth so that you can see GUI control. If you go for first and third, you can see only command control. Okay, so I'm going for the fourth option, desktop experience. Next, click on I accept the license terms. Next, and go for custom mode. There you can see your hard disk. You gave already 25 GB, right? So that's it. Make sure you choose the 25 GB. Sometimes your next button will be grayed out by mistake. Okay, so what you can do is just simply click on the disk so that you can see next button will be enabled again. Next, that's it. Okay, installation has been started now. It will take 10 to 15 minutes based on your server speed. To complete this installation, it will take 10 to 15 minutes. I'm going to pause this recording. Then once it was successfully completed, I'll show you what to do. Okay. Okay, you can see almost all 93% is completed. Once this was completed, you can see all the features will be completed immediately, and you will get an administrator screen. Okay, you have to provide the administrator password. That's it. The installation will be completed and you can access the Windows server. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you.